Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 15th of March 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 15th of March 2021. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Kidney Day in 2021, or which of the following day has been celebrated as World Kidney Day in 2021? Answer is option number 3, 11th March. 11th March in 2021 has been celebrated as World Kidney Day. World Kidney Day is observed on 2nd of Thursday of March each year with the primary objective of spreading awareness around the globe on the need for identifying kidney disease as a significant public health problem, and in 2021 it has been celebrated on 11th of March, and theme for 2021's World Kidney Day was living well with kidney diseases. Answer will be option number 3, 11th March. Next question is, which nation voted to ban full face covering in public places recently? Answer is option number 4, Switzerland. Switzerland voters have recently approved a ban on full facial covering including niqab and burqa in nearly all public places. The result means facial covering will be banned in all publicly accessible places including on the streets, in public offices, on public transport, in restaurant, shop, and in the countryside. Answer will be option number 4, Switzerland. Next, which Indian wrestler has become world number 1 in 65 kg category? Answer is option number 2, Bajrang Punia. Look at the image. This is Bajrang Punia. He is an Indian star wrestler and has recently won gold medal in the Metero Pelicon ranking series tournament in Rome. With this win, he has regained the world's number 1 ranking in the 65 category. Answer will be option number 65 kg category. Answer will be option number 2, Bajrang Punia. Next question is, who has been named ICC Men's Player of the Month for February 2021? Answer is option number 2, Ravichandran Ashwin. Indian spinner Ravichandran Ashwin has been named as the Men's Player of the Month in February 21 by the International Cricket Council, that is ICC, on 9th of March 2021. Answer will be option number 2. Next question is, which country held its first strategic and counter-terrorism dialogue with India in March 2021? Answer is option number 1, Nigeria. India and Nigeria have held first strategic and counter-terrorism dialogue at the national security level in March 2021. So answer will be option number 1. Next question is, the United States has offered temporary legal residency to immigrants from which nation? Answer is option number 4, Venezuela. The United States has announced to offer temporary legal residency to the 100,000 Venezuelans who have fled their country due to economic collapse. The United States has also decided to review the US sanction intended to isolate the South American nation. Answer will be option number 4. Next question is, who among the following has recently inaugurated Global Ayurveda Festival 2021? Answer is option number 4, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India and recently he has inaugurated Global Ayurveda Festival 2021 virtually. This festival has been organized from 12th March to 19th of March 2021, and this festival has been organized with the aim of global discussion and development of Ayurveda. The event, which showcases Ayurveda as a global treatment program, will serve as a meeting place for those working towards this goal around the world. Answer will be option number 4. Next question is, what is India's rank in Global Economic Freedom Index 2021, which recently has been released by Heritage Foundation? Answer is option number 2, 121. What is Heritage Foundation? Heritage Foundation is an American conservative think tank based in Washington DC, primarily geared towards public policy, and recently Heritage Foundation has released Economic Freedom Index 2021. 84 countries were covered in the study this time, or in 2021, and the period of study is July 2019 to June 2020, and Singapore has topped in this index called Global Economic Freedom Index, followed by New Zealand, Australia, Switzerland, and Ireland, and India ranks at 121 position. Answer will be option number 2. Next question is, who has been re-elected as the president of IOC? IOC is International Olympic Committee. It was established on 23rd of June 1894, headquarters in Switzerland, and currently Thomas Bach is the president of IOC, and he recently has been re-elected as the president of IOC for next 4 years. That is, he will be president of IOC up to 2025. Answer will be option number 1, Thomas Bach. Next question is, What will be India's GDP growth rate in the next financial year as predicted by CRISIL? CRISIL is an Indian credit rating agency. It was formed on 1987 and headquarters is in Mumbai. And recently, CRISIL has predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the next financial year will be 11%. So answer will be option number 2. Next question is Hamid Bakayoko has recently died at the age of 56. He was the Prime Minister of Dash. Answer is option number 1, Ivory Coast. Look at the image. This was Hamid Bakayoko. He was the president of Ivory Coast from June 2020 and recently he has died at the age of 56 due to cancer. Answer will be option number 1, Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast, look at web. This is Ivory Coast. Capital is Yamoussoukro. President is Alassane Ouattara and currency of Ivory Coast is West African franc. Next, name the app which has been launched by the government of India to help the beneficiaries of the One Nation One Ration card program. Answer is option number 4, Mera Ration. Government of India has recently launched the Mera Ration mobile application in March 2021 to help the beneficiaries of the One Nation One Ration card program that aims at pan-India portability of ration cards under the National Food Security Act. This app will help users who are ration card holders locate the nearest fair price shop, and it will prove useful to those who have just moved into a new area for the purpose of livelihood or otherwise. That apart, the app will help beneficiaries find out the details of their food grain entitlement, recent transaction and status of Aadhaar seedings. Answer will be option number 4, Mera Ration. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was India's largest hockey stadium will be built in dash. Answer is option number 3, Odisha. India's largest hockey stadium will be built in Odisha in Rourkela. Answer will be option number 3. Now today's question is in which of the following states world's largest zoo will be built by RIL, that is Reliance Industries Limited. Options are Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra and Gujarat. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below or we will discuss the question in the next video.